Hello students, today we are going to see about the chart projection for cash estimate of a concern. So the how to design a chart and how to estimate a cash for a concern for the forthcoming year. Let's start. Step 1. Open a worksheet using Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel. Step 2. Type the heading for the table. Step 3. Type the field name and enter the data. Type 4. Select the required column and click the Insert Chart. Insert Chart dialog box. Select Chart Type, Title of the chart axis, Field Data, Finish. So make the necessary alignments for the chart. Save the worksheet using the file save. Thus, the chart projection for a cash estimate of a concern is created successfully by using the MS Excel. Let's see in a practical manner for creating the chart projection. First of all, we want to open an Excel document. So here I have already selected. So next we are giving heading. So heading we are giving that the cash estimation. I have taken REA groups. So I have merged all the columns using merge icon. You can see it in the window. So it was merged. Next I am giving here sales, purchase, direct expense, indirect expense and profit. So here I am giving years and some databases. So here it was calculated by the formula. The formula was existing in app. So the formula is nothing but sales minus purchase minus direct expense minus indirect expense will give you the formula. I have dragged it for all things. So we have get net profit. So for I am selecting this profits and giving to insert chart. You can give anything. So I'm giving line diagram. So it was projection is here. So we can alter any diagram for this by using change chart. So you can change anything like this, or you can select your database itself. Select data. So we can take an additional data also to select the series. I have now selecting. Okay. So here two columns for profit also appears. So we can change anything using the change data type. And project, we can change the design alignments through this x-axis y-axis tables. We can select this also, so to show what is what. So I have given, so axis title you can put it as a sales. So here profit. So like this we can present a chart for cash estimation of REA groups. Hence I think you can understand this. After calculating the profit, we can provide a chart. We can select any of these materials and can alter this chart. You can alter this x-axis, y-axis according to our wish. So we can properly insert the chart title also. So I like to give the chart, show you how to insert chart title. I'm selecting from this and I'm just going and clicking here. Here. So like this we can make alter. So for this we to alter this chart type and all, we should select from the table. So table, it will give the design. In this design you have this X and Y axis and this tools. I hope you all understand, and thank you for listening the video.